Welcome to an exploration of one of the most influential books on personal development ever written, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book's timeless wisdom has guided countless individuals to achieve their dreams. Let's delve into its core lessons. Lesson 1 is all about desire, the starting point of all achievement. A burning desire is the fuel for your journey to success. Next, we have faith. Believing in your ability to achieve your goals is crucial. Cultivate unwavering self-belief. Lesson 3 emphasizes autosuggestion, influencing your subconscious mind with positive thoughts and affirmations. Lesson 4 highlights specialized knowledge. The importance of specific expertise in your chosen field cannot be overstated. Then comes imagination, the workshop of the mind. Unleash your creativity to envision your desired future. Lesson 6 is organized planning. Create practical, step-by-step action plans to guide you toward your objectives. Decision, Lesson 7, stresses the power of quick and firm decisions. Indecision is often a bigger obstacle than wrong decisions. Lesson 8 is persistence. Overcome obstacles, brush off setbacks, and never, ever give up on your dreams. Finally, the power of the mastermind, forming alliances with like-minded individuals for mutual growth and support. These are the key lessons from Think and Grow Rich. Apply them consistently, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your greatest goals.